Alright guys, what is up? So in this episode here, we're going to start working on our UI design of the app that we wanted to build in the first one that I mentioned. We're going to start working on this UI and getting some things laid out and implementing some stuff that I think should be in there. And we are going to do that in here in Figma. So we're going to get started here. What we're going to do is, first thing we need to do is get a frame going. So a frame is, you can pick whichever whichever like device you're working with and go off with the design of that. I'm going to be going on desktop and MacBook Pro because that's the computer I'm working on right now. And then over here, these is our shapes to add in our shapes to represent different elements on the page and whatnot. So we're gonna get this rectangle here, and we're gonna make this side part, the side menu here. Now the side menu here is representing the notes on the side here. All right. So um, we got our header section here, and then we got our notes, right? So let's start working on that. Let's get another square going in here. We're gonna make it a different color so you can recognize the difference between the header and the note. So we'll go right here with it. Of course you can't see because it's gray, so I need to get it like white. And then we need to change this background color here. Well, actually, what I should have did was make a square for this right here. This is the editor screen. And change that to like an off color, like that, something of that sort. And then we're going to move that over a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so we're going to add all of these things. We did a command, and then we clicked all of them to grab all of them, and then do a control, and then click on them to put them all in a group, like that, so we can like move it all around and stuff. So I got on locked mode right now. So what we're going to do is zoom out. Nope, that's not zoom out. Zoom out. Nope, that's zoom in. Zoom out. There we go. There we go. Okay. So that's what that looks like right there. I'm gonna unlock that. That's one. Let's duplicate this. Careful with my duplications. I don't want to duplicate 1,000 of them. So there we go. So we're gonna put that down there. Maybe at the bottom. These notes could be a little bit bigger, but not that much. Like that. And like that. Okay. Now that's the note. Alright. Now in this section here, we've got to do the header part. So we're going to put some text right here that says, all notes. I think that's what it says. No, it says my notebook. Okay, well, we could put that. Sure. My note book. And then we're going to give that a bigger text. That's bigger. We're going to give that about, 30? No, a little bit bigger. I'll say 50. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Hopefully it's not too big. Alright, so we got that down there. Another text, for the notes. So we got another text for the notes, and then we're gonna do some boxes to represent the options to, filter out and do all that stuff. But we're gonna have the notes, so we're gonna say three notes. That's how many, and the count is based on how many notes you have here. So I say 3 because we got 3 there. So let's make that smaller. Let's make that 24. Yeah, like that. Alright. And then Okay, the boxes. Okay, so then we're gonna put just some small boxes. It can be darkened like oh like that. All right, so duplicate that. I did not duplicate it. Duplicate it. And it's not duplicating. Duplicate. Duplicate. Really? You really don't want to do it? That's fine. So, draw some more. Same thing, darkened. So yeah, these boxes are just representing the filter area over here, alright? Let's see, I have a lot of them. Duplicated, I don't want that. We're only implementing like 2 of the, as far as I know, we can only implement like 2 of them. Alright? So, one is bigger than the other, but you know, you get the gist. So you got the notebook, the count, and the 3 notes. I mean the 2 filter boxes. Okay, so now our note is gonna have the, wait, if I put something in there, what would it look like? What does it look like? So, what happened? Was it not doing it? Wait. Oh, okay. So if I put it in there, it looks like that, and then you have the seconds. So title, note text, and then seconds. Okay. So right here, you're gonna have the title. Alright, so I'll say note 1 or something. Alright? Let's make that a little bit bigger though, because that's the title. Okay. Going to duplicate that, bring it down, and this is gonna be, this is my note text. That's the text of it. Drop that back down to 24. Okay, yeah. Right? And then copy that down again. And then this will be the seconds. So a few seconds ago. And then we're gonna gray that out because it's not really, yeah, it's like important but not really important. So we're gonna go down here to the color, and we're gonna up that bad boy. You still need to see it though. Where is that? It was like 7. It was a, I know one of them was like a good grayed out color was 737, 373, something like that. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So you got that. Put that in the corner. A bit more. Right when it says 30. Come on. There we go. Alright, so that's how. So let me click that and that and that and where's it? And this. I click all of those with command and then clicking them and then control, putting them in a group so I can just drag around these. So I can drag around this because they're together now. So I can actually delete that and delete that one. Make a copy of that one, drag that down. Copy of that one, drag that down, okay? So it's down there. Oh, no. This one. It's down there. A bit of space there, okay? Now, actually it's not all the way up there. It's all the way down here. Alright. Now, we're gonna have a block that kind of covers this a little bit, only because it's gonna be like a search, not a search, is going to be a scroll bar, so you can scroll down and see all of the notes. But right here, we're going to have our buttons so that all the notes are under here, because this is going to be like a fixed panel to put our add button and our trash button. So we can make this different color. Make it like that, right? We can put a text here that has a plus in it, but we can make it bigger, right? Okay. Put that there, and then we'll have like a trash. Well, we can't put no can right now, so we'll do the icons and all that stuff. But we could put the word trash though, and then put that up there. All that, right? In reality, it will be an icon instead of the word trash. I don't think we have to make it that huge. I don't like it looking that huge. Okay. Right? So we got that. So, when we click the trash button, the type of functionality that it will have is that when we click it, it should show a module that says, are you sure that you want to delete this item or delete this note, and then you would click yes and it would delete it. So that's kind of like the functionality for that one. And then for the plus, hold on, let me see. When I add one, okay, so the plus just adds another note. It doesn't have a module. I thought I had a module. Okay, so when you click the add plus part, it just adds another note to the note section. That way when you click on it, it'll show this note. Click on that, it'll show that note. If you add one, just click on that note that you added and it'll show up here and whatnot. So that's kind of like the functionality that it will have to it. We can, we can probably, well, no. Yeah, that's the functionality it'll have. If we have enough time, we'll, look more into that. But just focusing on like the design part, that's good. So we have that section there. This section here is the editor part. So what this part is going to be, we can do a rectangle, right? Now this rectangle is going to represent, no, not a rectangle, I lied. No, I lied. Yes, we are going to do a rectangle. I don't know why I did that. We are going to do a rectangle. And what this rectangle represents is the bar here. Oh, it doesn't show it. Hold on. There we go. It's going to represent the bar here. And then that's where all of our formatting related icons are going to go here, right? So that'll just be like a block of icons, right? So we'll have like a text here. It'll be like B and then space, I for italic, or I should say I for italic, space, what is this? Oh yeah, underline. U for underline, all the good stuff, and then, you'll have like space, link, and all that good stuff, right? So it'll have all of that in there. Okay? And those are going to be the ones. Of course, going to be a lot more, but these are like the formatting links that we can do, right? I know that probably looks horrible, but I'm not a designer, so that's why my mock-ups probably look like crap to you guys, but it's okay. It's okay. We got the idea going here. And then we're gonna have the title, so you can make it like a title. In the first, let's draw another box here that represents the editor, and this is gonna be white. because this box represents the editor, because the editor is one. So, right? Then in here, it's going to be the title. Right, we put the title. I think it has the dot, right? If I got rid of that. Oh, no, it's not. Never mind. I don't know why I want to put a dot there. But then you can duplicate that. And then this will be the, the text. So, start writing. You can copy that. Oh, no, start writing draft files, or choose. Okay. So we can say that, start writing draft files, or choose, and then have the option to choose like a photo or image that you want to import and stuff like that. Let's see, let me make this smaller, 24. It was really small, but yeah, that's how small it's gonna be. Does it have a dot in that one? No, it doesn't. Okay. So yeah, that's the title, and then let me make this a little bigger. I don't like the way it's looking. Okay, that's better. All right, so that's the title, and this is basically the placeholder text. So let me just make that darker. Let me do that 73773. 73731. Yeah, there we go. And then this one would be 73730. 73. There we go. Okay. So that's the placeholder text you get in there, and then all the things that you can implement in it, change and edit it. They got this add tag feature on here. I mean, nah, we won't add no tags. Not in this one. I mean, we could. We'll put it in there just in case we decide to do it. But I don't know. I'll put a text there though, just in case. Add tag. And then this would be grayed out as well. 737. Oh, nope. They're wrong. 7373. There we go. Alright. And right there. So it says, add tag. I'm gonna put a dot there because I just want to put a dot. There we go. Alright, so okay, so that's that page, right? And then now that we got that one out, that's the main page. I might do another video after this. I might end this video right here, stop it right here, and then the next one we can do like a part 2 where we do the login page and the sign up page. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. But so far, this is basic. This is what we're gonna start off with, and because this is a good starting point right here. So yeah, now that I think about it, yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, and then in the next one we're going to do the login and the sign up page, the UI design of the login and sign up page of this app, because I don't want this video to run on too long. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here, and I will see you guys in the next one.